Today topic is trading income. Trading income, when you start the unincorporated business, unincorporated business means sole trader partnership business. Then you will earn the trading income. What is the format to calculate the trading income? There is a format how to calculate it. Tax adjusted trading profits. Examiner will give you the tax adjusted trading profits. All adjustments already examiner will do. Only one adjustment you have to make. You have to deduct the capital allowance from these profits. And then after deducting capital allowance, tax adjusted trading profit after capital allowance you will get. TATP mean tax adjusted trading profit after capital allowance. Okay, tell me, when you start a business, you will run the business according to the accounting period or tax year? You run the business according to the accounting period or tax year? Hello, boys, please tell me. When you run the business, it's according to the accounting period or tax year?
Accounting period.
Accounting period. So when you
Yes.
run the business, that is accounting period profits. So these are accounting period profits. But we have to pay the income tax according to the tax year, fiscal year. So on these accounting period profits, you will convert these profits into the tax year profit through basis period. So apply the basis period on these profits, right? And then these accounting period profit will convert into the tax year profits. On these tax year profits means trading income, you will apply the income tax, non-saving income, income tax, and NIC. Which NIC? Class 2, class 4.
Class 2 and class 4. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that is the format to calculate the trading income. Done?
Done.
So tax adjusted trading profits are given. You will deduct the capital allowance from these profits, and then you will get the tax adjusted trading profit after capital allowance. Now in this whole trading income chapter, you are businessman. Okay, you are doing your own business, you are employer. So think, in this whole chapter you are businessman, not employee. You are employer right now, you are doing your own business. Okay, you are self-employed person. Okay, so in that is the format. Now in this trading income chapter, there are how many topics? So topic names I will tell you, and then we will discuss one by one. First topic in this chapter, we will discuss badges of trade. That is a theoretical topic. 4 to 5 marks theory examiner will test in the exam. Next topic, capital allowance. Capital allowance is adjustment, you can say, in the profits. Examiner will test in the 2 to 3 marks in the exam. Then we will discuss the basis period, and then we will discuss the trading losses. Maybe in your business, instead of profit, you will get the trading loss. So these are 4 topics in this chapter. We will discuss these 4 topics today. Done?
Done.
So first topic, badges of trade. Open the notes. Badges of trade. Firstly, I will tell you, for example, today I am selling mobile phone. How do you know which mobile phone you are selling? That is your trading activity, income tax will be charged. Or you are selling a mobile phone, that is your investment, and you will pay the CGT on it. How to distinguish whether a the sale transaction is capital, CGT will apply, capital transaction, or it is a trading activity, see, income tax will apply. How do you know? So the topic
Through
badges
basis
of
of trade.
trade.
Yes.
Through the badges of trade, you will distinguish whether the sale, something you are selling is trading activity, income tax will apply, or it is just an investment, capital transaction, and you will apply the CGT. So now badges of trade. Second paragraph I am reading. If a sale is to be distinguished, whether it is a trading transaction to be treated in income tax, or it is just an investment, so that CGT will be applied, following factors should be considered. Number 1, subject matter. Subject matter means quantity. For example, you are selling something in huge quantity. So what is this? It is a trade or just an investment?
Huge quantity trade.
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 If quantity is huge, it is an indicator of trading activity. Second, frequency of transaction. If similar transactions are carried out frequently, for example, you are selling mobile phone, similarly, again mobile phone you are selling, then purchase mobile phone and then sale, same transaction you are selling, similar, it is a trading activity. Third, length of ownership. If the asset sold was held for a long time period, for example, you are selling the house today. This house you purchased 50 years ago and now you
This
are
is
selling
investment.
it. It is an investment, CGT will apply. Okay.
Yes.
So length of ownership, if is long, it is investment. If length of ownership is short, it is a
Then
business.
it is trade.
Fourth, supplementary work and marketing. If steps are taken to make an asset more marketable, then it is a trading indicator. Fifth, profit motive. If the sale transaction if you are selling for profit motive is present. For example, you are selling the house and you want to earn the profit, then obviously it is a trading activity, right?
Yes. Yes.
6, the way in which asset sold was acquired. If goods were deliberately acquired, for example, you purchase the mobile phone for sale purpose, obviously that is a trading activity. But if
Yes.
goods were acquired unintentionally, like inheritance, inherit mean gift. For example, uh, your mother inherit you the house or gift you the house, and now you are selling it. Is that trade activity or investment? CGT will apply.
CGT
CGT.
investment.
CGT. So these 6 factors in the exam scenario, examiner will give you a scenario. So examiner will give you a scenario in which some factors will indicate it is a trading activity and some factors indicate it is a CGT. So you will identify the points and then conclusion will be uh, whichever you uh, perceive that it is maybe a CGT or maybe a income tax. That is your conclusion. So see the transaction and then decide through these factors. Okay. Kid question, Cat and Ravi. B part is your home assignment on this topic, badges of trade. Okay. Kit question, Cat and Ravi B part. Kit question, Cat and Ravi B requirement is your home assignment. Okay, on the badges of
Okay.
the day. So up till 5 marks examiner will test on this topic. Now the next topic is capital allowance. You can see the table in my notes, capital allowance. Capital allowance examiner will require 2 to 3 marks in the exam. Okay. 2 to 3 marks examiner will test in the exam capital allowance and adjustment. Capital allowance means tax depreciation on plant and machinery. For example, today you start the business. Obviously, you need a plant and machinery. So on the plant and machinery, tax depreciation will apply. Capital allowance will be claimed. Capital allowance means tax depreciation. You will apply the tax depreciation on plant and machinery only, which has life of less than 50 years. Okay. So how to apply the capital allowance? You can see the table below. First column is WDA. WDA means written down allowance 18%. It is percent.
Okay.
Hello. Written down
Hello.
allowance 18%. Please make it 18% available. If your accounting period is less than or more than 12 months, you can apportion it month by 12. Okay. How to apply it? We will do a question. So I am reading only. We will do the questions and then this topic will be more clear. Second column, AIA. In my notes, A/A is written. So please make it AIA. AIA mean annual investment allowance. 200,000 is available. When purchase the plant and machinery, 2 lakh AIA will be available. Annual investment allowance on the plant and machinery. You will apportion it by month by 12 if your accounting period is more than or less than 12 months. Okay. Third column, you will make 2 columns, main pool and special rate pool. In main pool, WDA 18% available, and in special rate pool, special rate SRP, WDA 8% available. Fourth column, if your asset has private use, private means your businessman's private use. Employers means I am doing a business, my private use, not my employee. Okay. So if I mean businessman has private use of the asset, then always make separate column of that asset. Do not mix these asset in the main pool or special rate pool. Private use asset has its own separate column. Okay. Fourth, cars. Please, cars column, just make some corrections in car column. In this column, 0 to 75 gram CO2 if car emit. Please make it 0 to 50 gram. 0 to 50. That is previous tax year's adjustment, so please make it correct. If your car emits 0 to 50 gram per kilometer CO2, first year allowance FYA 100% available. In your note, second is 76 to 130. Please correct it. It is 51 to 110 gram. Okay.
Okay.
If your car emit 51 to 110 gram CO2, then include this car in the main pool. And third car above 110, above 130, no, above 110, please correct it. If car emit above 110 gram carbon dioxide, then include in the special rate pool column. Okay. And last, no AIA available on the car. Hello.
Hello.
So there are three type of car. First car is 0 to 50 gram low emission car. Always first year allowance FY 100% available. Second car is 51 to 110 gram carbon dioxide include in the main pool. And third is above 110 high emission car. Always write down this car in the special rate pool. And remember, there is no AIE available on the cars. Annual investment allowance will not be available on the cars. Okay. Next, special rate pool. In special rate pool, which plant and machinery you will include? Remember these special rate pool items. Other than these, if you purchase any other plant and machinery apart from these, you always include them in the main pool column, all other plant and machinery. Okay. So remember special rate pool items. Other than these items, if any apart from these items, if any other plant and machinery you purchase during the accounting period, you will include in the main pool all other. So in the special rate pool, number one, thermal insulation you will include, solar panels, long life acid mean life more than 25 year, and cost 1 lakh or more, always include in the special rate pool column. Number four, feature integral to a building. Mean, for example, in the building, there are many features integral in the building. Which features you can see the list above. There are 6 features. Number one, electrical and lighting system. For example, energy savers are included in the building. That is integral feature of a building. Second, cold water system. Okay. Third, space and water heating system, mean geysers, etc. Fourth, power system station. It's also integral feature of a building. Fifth, power system of cooling, mean ACs, right? Air conditioners. And six, lifts and escalators. These are 6 integral feature of a building, always include in the
Special rate.
special rate pool.
Special rate.
And number 5, car CO2 over 110 gram. Make it correct, 130, no, not 130, 110 gram. High emission above 110 gram car, always include in the special rate pool. Okay. So these items you will include in the special rate pool. Apart from these, all other plant and machinery we will include in the which pool?
Main pool.
Main
Main
pool.
pool.
And if your asset has private use, businessman has some private
Private use.
use, then
Separate column.
Separate.
separate column. And always business use will claim the capital allowance, not private use.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, last. When you sell the plant and machinery during the accounting period, last paragraph, always balancing charge means profit arise or balancing allowance loss arise.
Yes.
Tell me, when balancing charge arise, balancing charge will increase the trading profits or decrease?
Increase,
Increase.
Increase.
And balancing allowance
decrease.
decrease the trading profits. Always when you sell the asset, record it at lower of DP. DP means disposal proceed, and number two, cost. Choose the lower of figure and record the asset on that lower of figure. Okay, when you sell the asset, always take lower of DP and cost. And next, now last point, no balancing charge or balancing allowance calculated in the pool unless all the assets are sold when business ceases. Means, do not calculate the balancing charge or balancing allowance in the pool. Pool mean main pool or special rate pool until your business is ceases. If your asset has private use and you are selling it during the accounting period, then you can calculate the balancing charge or allowance. But in the pool, do not calculate the balancing charge or allowance until your business will be ceased. Okay. Now all these things we will apply in the question. I am sending you a question named Julia. Please wait a minute. Okay. Julia is a sole trader preparing accounts to 5 April each year. Okay, so that is your accounting period of the business. At 5 April 2017, the tax written down value on her main pool is 12,500. In the year to 5 April 18, now that is your accounting period current 18. Julia bought the following assets: machinery in June 2017 costing 1,90,000. You know, machinery will be included in the main pool. Then van 17,500. Van is also a main pool item. And then car for salesman, CO2 emission 120 gram. This car will be included in which column?
Main 120.
Uh,
120
please
special
make,
rate.
make it 110. Correct it, make it 110. So now tell me, 110 gram if carbon dioxide emit, in which column
Main
you
pool.
will include?
Main pool. Main pool.
It will be included in the
Main pool.
main pool. And next, and you know, car has we will never claim the AIA on cars. Next,
Yes.
she
Only
disposed of
better.
plant on 5 April 17 for 12,000, original cost 16,000. Choose the lower of, when you sell the asset, lower of cost and DP.
Filter.
Next, calculate the maximum capital allowance for the accounting period ending 5 April 18. Hello. Okay.
Allowance.
Now make the column main pool and final column capital allowance figure we will put in the capital allowance column. Firstly, tell me any tax written down value brought forward from the previous accounting period, which will be brought forward value in the main pool from
Yes.
previous year. Yes, 12,005 year from the previous year is brought forward value. Now in this year, which things you are purchasing? Additions, purchase items. You know, you purchase machinery, van,
Machinery.
and car. You know, car do not qualify for AIA, but machinery and van qualify for AIA, annual investment allowance. So
Yes.
machinery cost is 190,000 and van cost is 17,500. Total 207,500. This these qualify for AIA. AIA is 200,000. 200 means that is a capital allowance. Quickly put this 2 lakh in the final column capital allowance figure, and the remaining 7,500 will transfer to the main pool, right?
Yes.
Because plant, machinery and van both are main pool items. So remaining after capital allowance, remaining figure will be transferred to main pool items. And now you purchase the car, and car emit 110 gram. 110 means it is a main pool item,
Main.
9,000 included in the main pool. Any other thing you purchased are these things only? These
Yes,
are the
yes,
only things you purchased during the accounting period. Now, lastly, you will deduct the disposals. Which thing you are disposing?
we are
Plant.
disposing plant. Yes.
Plant you are selling, and you know when you sell the plant, always record it at lower of number one cost and number two disposal proceeds. Original cost is 16,000 and disposal proceed is 12,000. Lower of is 12. So deduct the 12,000 from which column? Main pool, because plant is a main pool item. So I am selling it, so deduct. And now the total of the main pool column is 17,000. Now at the end, apply the WDA at the rate of 18%. 17,000 into 18%, 3,060 deducted. And this is also a capital allowance. Quickly record this 3,060 WDA in the capital allowance column. And the remaining figure will be tax written down value carry forward to the next accounting period, 13940. And this 13940 is the broad forward balance of the next year. Okay. And so in this accounting period, total capital allowance you can claim is 203,060. And this figure you will deduct from the accounting period profit. Okay. Trading profits. Done?
Ma'am, a time of portion basis is calculated or not?
Yeah.
The machinery purchase was 1 June 2017.
Yes.
So I think it will be time of portion basis.
No, your
Ten
account
month.
period ended on 5 April 18.
Okay.
So in this accounting period you purchased in the current, it starts from which date? 6 April
April.
17 to 5 April 18, right?
Yes.
Right.
So in this,
Accounting period is the main thing. Yes.
yes, during the accounting period, in this accounting period you can claim 203,060 total capital allowance.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, next. I will send you some questions with answers. So firstly do
Okay.
the questions and then check the answers, okay? If you have any the private use asset question, all these questions I will send you. Long accounting period, short accounting period. If your accounting period is long, you will apportion the WDA 18% into month by 12 and AIA 2 lakh into month by 12, or if it is short, you also apportion these two. Okay. So after the class, I will send you questions on all these capital allowance topics, so you can
Okay.
do. Now we are
Uh,
starting the basis periods.
Yes, you already told that yesterday. You told that you will send us sushi question solution.
Yes, I will send
So,
you after the class. Don't worry.
okay.
After 5 minutes, I will resume the class. Okay.
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 Bye.